How did the Brooklyn Bridge show American ingenuity after the Civil War? Imagine standing on a bridge that seemed almost impossible to build when it was constructed. The Brooklyn Bridge is more than just a way to cross the East River. It's a symbol of American creativity and strength after the Civil War. Construction started in 1870, just 5 years after the war ended, during a time when the country was rebuilding and growing rapidly. The bridge connected Manhattan and Brooklyn to bustling parts of New York City, making travel and trade much easier. When it opened in 1883, it was the longest suspension bridge in the world, stretching 1,595.5 feet across the river. It was also the first to use steel wire as its main material, which was a huge step forward in engineering. Steel was strong, flexible, and could be made in large amounts, showing how American industry was advancing. One of the most impressive engineering tricks was the use of pneumatic caissons, big underwater chambers that allowed workers to dig deep into the riverbed. This technology was new and risky because workers had to breathe compressed air, which sometimes caused serious health problems. The chief engineer, Washington Roebling, was affected by this illness, but his wife Emily stepped in to help. She became the first female field engineer, managing communications and technical details when her husband couldn't be on site. This was a major moment for women in engineering and showed how Americans could innovate in all areas. The bridge's design combined suspension and cable-stayed parts, with steel cables spun by hand and woven carefully to support the roadway. Despite setbacks like fires, accidents, and political hurdles, the project was finished 6 times stronger than planned. This shows how much care and skill went into making it durable and safe. When the bridge opened, thousands of people crossed it on the first day, celebrating a new era of progress. It became a symbol of New York's modernization and America's industrial power. The Brooklyn Bridge is more than just a structure. It's a story of resilience, innovation, and determination. It proved that after the Civil War, Americans could come together and create something truly extraordinary. It still stands today as a reminder of what ingenuity and hard work can achieve, inspiring generations to keep building and dreaming big.